In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zoho CRM password seamlessly. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you can regain access to your account without any hassle. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. First, let's open up Google Chrome. Don't worry if you're using a different browser, the steps will still be similar. Once you have Chrome open, head directly to the Zoho CRM login page. Now, I know we usually jump right into entering our email and password, but today we're focusing on password recovery. So take a moment and locate the Forgot Password link. It's usually found beneath the login field, so go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. It's important here to use the same email you initially registered with on Zoho CRM, as this email is where the reset process is centered. After you've carefully typed out your email address, you can go ahead and submit that information. Now here's where a little patience is key. Open your email client and check your inbox for an email from Zoho. It's crucial to check both the main inbox and your spam or junk folder, just in case the email finds its way there. The email you're looking for will include a password reset link, so once you've located it, open it up and click on that link. Clicking this link will direct you to a secure page where you can go ahead and create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, combining uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Once you're satisfied with your new choice, confirm it and submit. With your new password ready to go, you can now return to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your email and your freshly minted password to log in. Make sure everything works smoothly. If you run into issues, double check that you are using the exact email and new password. Finally, once you're logged back into your account, it's wise to update your security settings if needed. This could mean enabling two-factor authentication or reviewing recent security activity on your account, just to give yourself peace of mind, knowing all is in working order. And there you have it, a complete, straightforward guide to resetting your Zoho CRM password. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Remember, securing your account is vital, so take a moment to make sure your new password and security settings are up to date. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy CRMing.